The gift of nature comes from the breath of every forest. We know that the preciousness of wood comes from our respect for nature. From vast forests to sophisticated craftsmanship. Shandong Yinmu Machinery. Focus on woodworking machinery. Drive the future with innovation. Win trust with quality. Empowering traditional crafts with technology. Aluminum wood integrated edge banding machine. Handle edge banding machine. CNC cutting machine. Sincerely serve every customer. Ensure product delivery. Writing a new chapter. Shandong Yinmu Machinery.